Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix CryptPad unexpected error issues in 2026. So if CryptPad suddenly displays an error message, stops responding, or certain features stop working without warning, this guide will help you fix it step by step. First, refresh the page and try the action again. Temporary glitches can sometimes trigger unexpected errors that disappear after a simple reload. Next, check your internet connection and make sure it is stable. Network interruptions can cause synchronization, loading, and saving errors. Now clear your browser cache and cookies. Corrupted browser data is one of the most common causes of unexpected behavior in web applications. Next, try opening CryptPad in an incognito window or a different browser. This helps determine whether the issue is related to browser settings or stored data. Now disable browser extensions temporarily. Ad blockers, privacy tools, and script blockers can sometimes interfere with CryptPad functions. Next, make sure your browser is updated to the latest version. Older browsers may experience compatibility issues with newer platform features. Now check whether the error occurs in one specific document or across the entire platform. This can help identify whether the problem is file-related or system-wide. Next, sign out of your account and sign back in to refresh your session and permissions. Now restart your browser and reopen CryptPad to establish a clean connection. Finally, if the issue continues, restart your computer and test the platform again after the reboot. And that's it. You've successfully fixed CryptPad unexpected error issues. Now the platform should work smoothly without random errors or interruptions. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this.